Are you ready for peak season? Every weak point in your fulfillment can cost you dearly. Imagine losing thousands because of a system failure at the worst possible time. Pressure testing is non-negotiable. It safeguards your holiday revenue and builds customer trust. Learn how to simulate spikes and discover system weaknesses before they cost you. Start with historical data from past sales. Look for fulfillment, speed and accuracy trends. Next, conduct mini-sales to spot operational bottlenecks early. Optimize your processes by auditing shipping cutoff times and testing carrier performance. A reliable carrier network is crucial during high-demand periods. Reduce errors by validating addresses early in the workflow. Automate your error handling to keep your operations running smoothly. Finally, collaborate with your 3PL to clarify cutoff dates and contingencies. Relationships matter during crunch time. Don't wait for peak season. Take action now to protect your sales and reputation. Visit Shippo today and optimize your shipping strategy.